Once we made the pile, I have two questions. One is, most of the time, where those composting piles or windrolls are those on site?
They're on site and they're generally inside the barn
Okay.
that was affected. So if our poultry facilities have multiple barns,
Yeah.
there will be multiple compost piles
Right.
in each barn.
Okay.
There have been some outside,
Mhm.
but mostly in the barns that those birds came from.
Gotcha. So how long usually those piles or windrolls will be mature and cured? It is like longer than the normal composting piles?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Okay.
So
Okay,
we have to follow
Uh-huh.
USDA regulation. So they're tested at 28 days.
Uh-huh.
So there's
Right.
environmental sampling.
Gotcha.
And then those can be removed,
Mhm.
usually land applied.
Mhm.
And then that barn still has to sit fallow for 120 days.
Gotcha. Once the composts are ready for land application, is there any precautions? Are there any precautions we have to follow?
I think there's lots of research still that is either being funded or needs to be funded about. And same with composting composting like chemically euthanized
Right.
animals.
Yeah.
That's the same thing as
Yeah.
what's the long-term
Right.